This massive machine in this factory turns a pig into ground meat in seconds. This process, which happens in the blink of an eye, proves just how far the modern food industry has come. The synchronization of the robotic arms as the cutting blades move at millimeter speed is mesmerizing to watch. This production line demonstrates how meat is transformed into perfect ground meat in seconds. Massive stainless steel machines work in incredible harmony at every stage. Cutting, grinding, mixing, packaging, all in sync like music. This small yet incredibly powerful machine heralds a new era in meat cutting. The Morel iCut 130 portion cutter is a laser-assisted engineering marvel capable of making hundreds of precise cuts per second. The camera system scans each piece of meat to calculate the exact thickness. Then the blades engage with millimeter precision. The result? Perfect portions, each one even, down to the gram. Perfect shape in meat production is no longer a coincidence. The MLF 400 and MLF 600 forming lines use a high-pressure piston system to transform meat dough into perfect shapes in seconds. Burgers, meatballs, nuggets, they're all produced on the same line, at the same speed, with the same precision. This machine redefines the limits of filling technology. The Hantemann VF838 vacuum filler processes the meat mixture under the perfect balance of pressure and vacuum, ensuring every gram is even and every filling is flawless. The vacuum system completely eliminates air, ensuring the product's texture, color, and freshness remain flawless. Capable of filling hundreds of portions per minute, this system offers both speed and absolute precision. This massive machine processes salmon in seconds, revealing the most astonishing stage of their journey from sea to table. With its advanced sensors and automatic knife systems, the salmon slaughtering machine detects each fish individually and cuts with perfect speed and precision. pinnacle of speed and precision in meat cutting, the Trife Divider 660 automatic meat cutter. This machine moves its steel blades with laser-guided precision, cutting hundreds of portions in seconds with perfect evenness. Sensors analyze each piece, automatically adjusting the thickness and minimizing waste. The giant beef slaughtering machine is an incredible piece of technology that can process cattle weighing tons in just minutes. Automatic arms position themselves perfectly using laser sensors, and giant blades cut with millimeter precision. Every move is planned with mathematical precision. Every second counts here, because the production line never stops. It breathes like a living machine. This system, which slices hundreds of chicken breasts to perfect thickness in minutes, is the pinnacle of food technology. With its laser-assisted blades and high-speed conveyors, the chicken breast slicing machine operates like a surgeon. Each piece is scanned according to its weight and thickness, and then the machine creates perfect slices with millisecond calculations. This machine sets a new standard for precision in the butchery world. The lamb chine machine separates the lamb's spine with millimetric precision, delivering both speed and excellent cut quality. Thanks to the high-pressure hydraulic system and automatic blade guidance technology, every process is executed with the same perfection. This scene showcases the cutting edge of meat cutting technology. Steak cutting equipment condenses years of butcher expertise into seconds. Steel blades are perfectly guided by laser sensors, ensuring every steak is cut to the same thickness and precision. This machine redefines the art of cutting with the power of steel. The Jarvis JRS 75 hydraulic bandsaw is a legendary force in industrial meat processing. Its massive hydraulic system gives the blade incredible speed, cutting through even thick bones like butter. This massive machine is a steel beast that can even handle frozen meat. The Alaska WWB 200 frozen meat grinder grinds blocks of meat at minus temperatures at high speed in seconds. The blade system is made of special alloy steel and maintains its sharpness even at minus 18 degrees Celsius. The 200mm wide feed line continuously processes tons of frozen meat, while the engine's roar echoes with the rhythm of industrial power. This machine pushes the boundaries of cutting technology. The Margaret Gallon 960 meat slicer is a true industry giant, capable of slicing blocks of frozen or fresh meat with millimeter precision. Its massive steel blade rotates dozens of times per second, ensuring every cut is the same thickness and smoothness. This machine represents the pinnacle of engineering in frozen meat cutting. The Margaret Unicut 584 uses a high-pressure cutting system that cuts massive blocks into millimeter-precise pieces. Powerful pistons propel steel-embedded blades at incredible speeds, shaping the frozen meat with virtually silent force. Up to 40 tons of hydraulic force delivers consistently perfect results with every cut.